finish with your food. What's up, Boots?
So, we plan to watch the plane take off or land.
Yes, let me show a video of it. I don't know if they can see it good. There's one plane, and there's the other. And we're waiting on them to take off in the sky.
Yeah. Previously, we watched the previous plane taking off without the video.
Now they're waiting a good little while. Let me see. You just ate your food. Let me wipe your mouth. I don't know. It looks like it's gonna be a minute.
And it looks like it must have just landed.
Another one just landed? No. Oh, it's revving up. That one's finna go.
Oh yeah, but I don't know if anyone can see it unless you put it out the window. Oh! Two of them are going to take off.
Not at the same time. He's just moving up closer.
I don't know if anyone can see it.
I think it's still gonna sit there for a minute. Oh, it's circling around.
Yeah.
It's getting ready. Can you see it, Boots?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, you might have to take your seatbelt off so you can see good. Oh, it's going. I hope I got it on camera because this is facing the other way. It's up in the air.
Yeah, but I don't know. But I don't know if that's perfect.
It may not be perfect, but I think it's good. Okay.
Let me see. Hey guys, put a like on this video to see if you can see it.
I think they saw it, Boots. I think they saw it. All right, we finished. Are you gonna watch the next one too? It's got one more back here.
One more bag here.
Can you see?
Yeah. It's okay.
Oh, there's one landing.
Oh.
Get you. Sorry, Boots.
Wow! What was a land?
Got that? We caught that one? Okay, now what? Now you got that one. Where is it? Right there?
Yeah, it's really far. It's really far away.
So we're waiting on it. I'm sure that plane is waiting for the other one to get out the way.
Look.
Oh, where is that one? Ooh, looks like a bigger one coming.
This is a really fun day, right?
Absolutely. So that one's gonna get ready to take off. Okay, finally went in the air.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Guys, see if you can watch it. Okay. Okay. This is a really fun day, right?
Right.
But Mom,
Mm-hmm.
before we could do this, okay?
Mm-hmm.
There's something what happened, guys. What happened is our plane was about to take off, okay? But instead, we went to Jack's, got ourselves some pancakes, and then came back. But the plane already took off.
Yeah, sure did. But we caught some more.
Oh, yes, let's go.
That one went in the air smoothly, more smooth than the other plane. And here comes another one.
Oh!
Here comes another one.
Yeah.
I didn't know this airport was this active. As
What?
many years as we've lived over here.
Yeah. Yeah, like, how's that many planes taking off?
Well, I don't know. I don't know if this is, I don't think it's flight school. It may be flight school.
I don't know. But subscribe to this channel if you see this one before.
You just gonna record this one too? Or are we finished? Might as well get that one. Right?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, what you thinking about?
Earlier before this video,
Mm-hmm.
I was so confused that the airplane was stopping when it just started.
Right. Like I said, they take their time coming this way. And they stop right there and they wait for instructions on when to go. So there's people that's over here in the tower that's saying, okay, the air is clear, the runway is clear, you're safe to go. And once they get the okay to go, then they rev up and they speed up and fly off that way.
Okay.
I can show you on the internet maybe the process of what I'm talking about, so you see what I'm talking about. Maybe. What's that?
What? Who honked the car?
I don't know, but it's two birds. Okay. Those birds better fly away elsewhere, but not come this way. Alright, so I don't know, it's sitting there a while.
Yeah.
Oh, because the plane is finna come land. You want to try to see it? You want me to try to catch it?
Yeah.
I'll try. It's bright out here.
It's very far.
It's very far.
Yeah, I don't think anyone can see it unless it comes close.
Look, that bird getting too close for my liking. It's coming. Can y'all see it, guys?
Only me can see it. It's so far.
Only I can see it. Can y'all see it? Oh, they see it. It's landing. That's why the other plane had to wait, because this one needed to land.
Oh!
It's landing. It's getting close. It's setting down. Oh, it did it!
It almost crashed.
No, it didn't almost crash. It landed right on the wheels.
It wasn't attached to the ground for just a second.
For just a second.
Yeah, for 0.1 second.
Oh, now this plane is going to take off.
Oh, yes.
So it had to wait for the other one to land first.
Yeah. How come you never told me the another reason it has stopped?
Well, because there's actually a bunch of reasons a plane could stop. So I just told you the most obvious one first, and then the next one. And why am I being judged? You feel me? Like what? How come I didn't tell him all the reasons the plane stopped? It's revving up. I hear the engines. Alright. Ready, set, go. Go faster, 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 faster. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. It's not pulling up. Oh, it pulled up. There it is. Now it's up in the air. Going up, up, up. All right.
Hey, Mom. What would happen if the airplane was at the sky, but he stopped going fast?
I don't know, my love.
Maybe Google knows.
Well, I wouldn't want you to Google that.
Why?
Well, if it stopped going fast, then it would stop going, right?
Okay.
So it has to maintain speed to keep going, okay?
Okay.
Now, you need to stop your video so that you can get back in your seatbelt.
Okay. So if you have watched this so far before, then like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye. Peace out.
What a special day.
I'm glad you enjoyed it, love.
Yeah.